Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. So basically, maybe if you're bored of the default watch faces and you want to spice things up, you can always download something new and apply it to make your watch more appealing. Okay, so let's get started. So if you want to download additional watch faces, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. And it works both on the Android and iPhone. And once you pair the devices together, open the Huawei Health application. Actually, let me reopen it like this. In the app, tap on Devices, and here on the list of devices, find the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. Tap on it. And once you open the device page for your watch, under it you will see this watch faces category. Tap on More to open it, and here you will see the watch face store. Basically, you can browse for different categories, look for something you like, and once you find the watch face you enjoy, you can simply tap on it to open the info page about it. So let's find something. Let's just pick whatever, maybe the duck. And once you find the watch face you like, you tap on it, open the info page. Here you can read the description, tags, you can see the recommended as well. And once you decide to install the watch face, you tap on Install. And the watch face will be applied after it's done installing. And you can install multiple watch faces if you like to. And once you're done installing them, you can also manage them. Right here, if you go back to device page, you have this My Faces category, and you can see the local watch faces. Basically, this is the list of watch faces installed on your watch. And at some point, you will run out of space for the watch faces, and you will need to remove some to install new ones if you want to do that. And to remove the watch face, you simply open this menu right here. So you go to Device page, My Faces, Manage Local Watch Faces, and then you find the watch face you want to remove. Tap on OK on the X button, then tap on OK, and the watch face will be removed, and then you can install something different if you want to. And that's basically it. That's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.